Austin is ground zero for a contentious law that some are calling one of the most consequential land rights bills in the state's history. Senate Bill 2038 is the subject of a multi-city lawsuit now against the state and an upcoming review in the state legislature. Joining us this afternoon to talk more about it is Colin Pope with the Austin Business Journal. Colin, thank you for being here as always.
Pleasure to be here.
You know, this bill, Senate Bill 2038 that we just mentioned, tell us about it and maybe why it's ruffling so many feathers.
Well, this is something that the legislature did during the last legislative session. They're talking about maybe tweaking some of it during this upcoming one. Probably no major changes, but basically what it allows property owners to do is to de-annex from a city's ETJ. That's an extraterritorial jurisdiction.
Right.
And if you've never heard of that, it's basically this invisible 5-mile buffer around our city limits, Buda city limits, Round Rock city limits. So we've all got this buffer. And the idea is that cities do have some sort of control over what goes on in that buffer zone. And so what we're seeing is a lot of developers and then even already established businesses, the Austin Zoo, the Austin Executive Airport, the Tesla Gigafactory, they've all chosen to take advantage of this bill, de-annex themselves from Austin control and the Austin ETJ, and now they're just out in county land.
Now, as this is happening, and we've covered quite a bit of these developments that have happened, what are the concerns that cities are raising about this?
Well, the cities, they argue, well, we have these ETJs for a reason. And so Buda had an interesting case recently where a developer wanted to build roughly I'm going to oversimplify this, but 3,000 homes. The city said, no, we can't accommodate that with all the utilities and such. It's going to take years for us to do that. And the developer said, okay, we're just going to do our own utilities. We're going to de-annex it from Buda and just do what we want. Buda ended up saying, okay, we'll go ahead, we'll work a deal. If you can bring it down to say 2,300 homes, we can work with that. So they struck a deal there, but you had a developer saying, we'll just leave the city if you can't accommodate us.
So definitely some high stakes for some areas for sure. But we mentioned that there is a lawsuit that is in the works at this time. What does that mean for the future of this law?
Well, that's the thing, nobody knows. And so there's a city, Round Rock actually, is taking it to the extreme. They have a lot of applications from landowners who say, we want out of Round Rock's ETJ. Round Rock is saying, look, until this court case is settled, we're not even going to look at those applications. A lot of other cities are releasing land to the tune of 1,000 properties we've identified over the Business Journal have been released from city ETJs. That's roughly 35,000 acres, which is actually more than what the city of Round Rock has in its city limits. So that's across central Texas. So a lot of land moving from jurisdiction to jurisdiction right now.
Wow, no kidding. Well, I know that you all will be following this very closely. So of course we might have to have you back on for more conversations about it.
Continuing developing story. Yes, it is.
Absolutely. So Colin Pope with the Austin Business Journal, thank you again.
Thanks for having me.